Isang mapagpalang araw at taus-pusong pagbati sa ating lahat, sa ating mga bisita, ma'am, sir, mga guro at kawani ng paaralan, sa aming mga minamahal na magulang at pamilya, sa aking mga kapwa mag-aaral, mabuhay tayong lahat. As I stand before you today, filled with a whirlwind of emotion, I am overwhelmed with a profound sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the journey that has led us to this moment. Gratitude for the unwavering support of our loved ones. And gratitude for the countless lessons learned along the way. In behalf of Cuyamo National High School Class 2023-2024, we want to express our deepest gratitude to our incredible faculty and staff. You have dedicated your time, knowledge, and passion in shaping our mind and nurturing our growth. Your guidance, mentorship, and unwavering belief in us have been the cornerstone of our academic journey. You have challenged us to think critically, encouraged us to dream big, and instilled in us the confidence to pursue our passion. To our advisor, Sir Jaylon O. Calamba, and Ma'am Ruby Celeste E. Francisco, and to all teachers, we are forever grateful for your tireless dedication and commitment to our success. To our families, who have been our pillars of strength and unwavering sources of love and support, we owe an immense debt of gratitude. You have stood by us through the late nights of studying, the moment of doubt, and the high and lows of this journey. Your sacrifices, encouragement, and unconditional love have been our driving force, propelling us forward even when the path seems daunting. Personally, I would like also to extend my deepest gratitude to my Papa, who never failed to support and inspire me to be a good son. Thank you so much, Pa. I will continue to make you proud because I am lucky to have Papa like you. My immense gratitude as well as to my tito at tita and to my uncle Reverend Father Stephen Broncano for all your support. Maraming salamat po. To my fellow graduates who have shared in the triumphs and challenges of this journey, I am grateful beyond words. To my classmates, friends, Zella, Vanessa, Daniela, Doris, Mami Jules, Rochelle, Trisha, Jubel, and everyone else, you are my companions, my confidence, and my inspiration. Together, we have laughed, cried, and grown in the ways we never thought possible. Each of you has brought a unique perspective and contribution to our shared experiences, enriching our lives in countless ways. As we embark on the next chapter of our lives, I am grateful for the friendship we have forged and the memories we have created together. As we reflect on this momentous occasion, let us also take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunities that have been bestowed upon us. We stand on the shoulder of giants, benefiting from the sacrifices and contribution of those who came before us. We are privileged to have received an education that has equipped us with the knowledge, skills, and opportunities to pursue our passions and make a difference in the world. Let us never take this blessing for granted and always strive to take it forward, using our talents and resources to uplift others and create a brighter future for the generations to come. As this year, Team Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. In closing, I want to express my profound gratitude to each and every one of you who has played a role in shaping our journey and making this moment possible. As we look towards the future with hope and optimism, let us carry 2024. Our journey may have come to an end, but our adventure is just the beginning. Thank you.